Hello, my name is Whitney Loo, and I'm the newest assistant professor at University of Wisconsin-Madison, Department of Chemical and Biological Engineering. I'd like to use this presentation to share with you a bit about myself and my research group. I was originally born in Huntington Beach, California, and I attended MIT for my undergrad degree in chemical engineering. I received my PhD in chemical engineering from UC Berkeley, where I worked with Professor Natasha Balsara and studied new molecular level insights in block copolymer electrolytes for lithium metal batteries. Currently, I'm working on my postdoc jointly at the University of Chicago in the Molecular Foundry at Lawrence Berkeley National Lab, where I'm designing new polymers for nanolithography. I will be starting my position at UW-Madison next year alongside some of you. My research interests are centered around polymers, soft materials, and sustainability. Outside of the lab, I enjoy cycling, cooking, and chilling with my cat Potato. This is us on a typical Friday afternoon. I am really excited to join UW-Madison, and I think it's the people, both faculty and students, that make it such a wonderful environment to learn, grow, and do cool science. Meet the team. Well, right now, the team consists of just me, but I'm hoping to recruit 2 to 3 students from the newly admitted class to join my group when they get to Madison. Long term, I plan to add a student or 2 each year to consistently grow the team. While joining a new group may seem intimidating, it's an amazing opportunity to build a community, to build a lab, all from the ground up. The focus of the research group will be polymers for a sustainable future. The research we will conduct can be divided into 2 main themes. The first theme will involve the design of new sustainable polymers. These materials might be more easily recycled or processed, biodegradable in nature, or are built from sustainable monomers from outside of the petrochemical industry. The second theme will involve using polymers in devices to increase sustainability in the food, water, and energy nexus, such as electrolytes in batteries, ion exchange membranes in fuel cells, or ultrafiltration membranes for water treatment. So what does this type of research actually look like? First, the group will start by synthesizing our own polymers using a variety of living polymerization techniques. From there, we will use advanced X-ray and neutron characterization techniques, as well as microscopy, to probe polymer properties all the way down to the nanometer length scale. We will then use these new insights to design new polymers with hopefully higher performance properties than the ones we're currently using. If you enjoy organic chemistry and playing with cutting-edge experimental tools and techniques, then this just might be the lab for you. I'll go through 2 example projects that you might get to work on if you join my group. The first project involves developing new biodegradable block polymers. The world is currently experiencing a plastic waste problem, so as a polymer scientist, it's my responsibility to design new sustainable materials for future use. The overall question we are trying to answer is, how does polymer structure affect biodegradability? First, we'll start by synthesizing a variety of block polymers, where one polymer block is biodegradable, shown in red, and the other is not biodegradable, shown in blue. We'll synthesize a variety of copolymer architectures. From there, we will probe the micro and mesostructures of the composite materials using X-ray scattering techniques. Finally, we will quantify the performance of these new materials by measuring both mechanical properties and biodegradability. The second project involves the design and characterization of polymer blend electrolytes. Today's conventional rechargeable lithium batteries use electrolytes that are a mixture of 2 organic solvents. We can take inspiration from those electrolytes and design new polymer blend electrolytes where we replace those organic solvents with different types of polymers. The main question we are trying to answer is, how does ion transfer occur in a multi-component polymer system? And we can break this down into smaller milestones. First, we can use neutron scattering and spectroscopy to determine which polymer species in the blends contributes to ion transport. We can use Raman spectroscopy to determine where the salt molecules go within the polymer blend. And finally, we can use electrochemistry to determine how the electrolyte perform under large currents in battery applications. So what will the Loo Lab look like? Well, hopefully it'll include you, but it will be a diverse team that works together where everyone is welcome. Our core values will be safety, respect, and collaboration. No data is worth risking your safety, both physical and emotional. Thorough safety analysis will be conducted on all proposed experiments. And as an advisor, I vow to value my trainees as people first and put their mental health first. The team must respect each other's values, differences, contributions, and time. And finally, the Loo Lab will operate as a team, where collaboration is essential in order to achieve the common goal. Thank you for listening to this overview of the Loo Lab. Please reach out via email or Slack if you have any questions, and I look forward to meeting you in person in Madison.